children, how are you? Hope all are fine and healthy. We are in block 3, lesson number 3, subtracting mentally. Subtracting mentally. 2-digit number minus 1-digit number. In our previous classes we have done addition. Today we are going to start with subtraction. The aim of today's lesson is subtract a 1-digit number from a 2-digit number by counting backwards mentally. Okay, in subtraction we do backward counting, and in addition what do we do, children? We do counting forward. In subtraction we count backward. That is the main difference. Okay, the aim of today's lesson is to subtract a 1-digit number from a 2-digit number by counting backwards. The key word used is counting backward. Let's see an example of subtracting a 1-digit number from a 2-digit number by counting backwards. Again, there are 3 basic steps involved. The first step is to start with a bigger number. Now 86 and 4. 4 is a 1-digit number, 86 is a 2-digit number. So 86 is the bigger number. So start with 86. Move 4 steps to the left of the chart. This is the 100 chart. Start from 86 and you have to move 4 steps to the left of the 100 chart. But do you remember what did we do in addition? We moved to the right. But in subtraction we move to the left of the chart. And the number where you reach is your answer. So the steps are same, but here we are doing backward counting and moving towards the left. Whereas in addition we do forward counting and move towards the right of the chart. 86 minus 4. So start with the bigger number, that is 86. Now find where is 86 in this 100 chart. It is here. So start from here and move 4 steps. Move as many steps as the smaller number. The smaller number here is 4. So you have to move 4 steps towards the left of the chart. So this is the left side. So 4 steps. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So which number did you reach, children? You reach 82. So 82 is the answer. This is how you use 100 chart to do subtraction. Start from 86, that is the bigger number, and take 4 steps to the left of the chart. 1, 2, 3, 4. The number you reach is the answer. Is it clear? Now children, let us subtract mentally without using a 100 chart. Let's take an example. Say for example you want to subtract 47 minus 5. So the steps are almost the same, but here we are not using 100 chart, we are doing it mentally. So 47 and 5. Which is the bigger number? 47. So think of the bigger number and count backwards in your head as many times as the smaller number. Think 47 in your mind and count backwards 5 times. Okay, the number you reach is the answer. And you know children, the answer of subtraction is called the difference. Okay, the answer of subtraction is called difference. What do we call the answer of addition? We call the answer of addition as sum. Okay, and the answer of subtraction as difference. Think of the bigger number, that is 47, in your mind and count backwards. Since it is subtraction, we are counting backwards by as many steps as the smaller number. Smaller number was 5. 47 minus 5. So think of the bigger number in your mind and count 5 times backwards. So before 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42 and stop at 42. See how many steps you have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps, right? So 42 you reached. So 42 is the answer. Therefore, counting backwards help us to subtract numbers mentally. Now let's see a story problem. Rajiv had 70 marbles. He gave his friend 9 marbles. How many marbles are left with him now? So in this story problem we have to subtract 9 from 70 because he has given 9 marbles to his friend. 9 marbles is removed. So you have to subtract 9 from 70. So 70 minus 9. 70 you know is the bigger number. Start with the bigger number. Think of the bigger number in your head and count backwards as many times as the smaller number. The smaller number is 9. So you have to count 9 times backward. Start from 70 and count 9 times back counting. Okay. 70, then before 70 9 times you have to count. You will reach 61. So therefore 61 marbles are left with Rajiv. Okay, you have to do mentally. You have to start with a bigger number and do back counting for subtraction. Similar way you have to start with a bigger number and count forward for addition. You should remember this. Okay. Now open your workbook page children, S3 of block 3. We are going to do it now. Now the first question over here is count backwards and write the number on each step. You have to do back counting here and write the number. Okay, 20, before 20, 19, before 19, 18, 17. Okay, here also back counting, 12. Before 12, 11, 10, 9. Second question is, look at the hundreds chart. Each pair of shapes shows a subtraction sentence. There is a 100 chart and there are some shapes in the 100 chart. Each shape shows a subtraction sentence. Write the subtraction sentence in the table. There is one table here. We have to write the subtraction sentence. One is done for you for an example. Okay, what is done? Star shape. Star shape example is done. You have to do it for smiley and a heart. Okay. See the 100 chart. There are two stars. One star is at number 25 and the other star is at number 21. Now, how many steps did you take towards the left of the 100 chart to reach 21? From 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. You have taken 4 steps towards the left from 25 to reach 21. So the subtraction sentence starts with a bigger number. Start with 25, then minus how many steps you have taken to reach 21. You have taken 4 steps to reach 21, right? So 25 minus 4 is equal to the number you reach. You reach number 21. Okay. Now coming to the next one. See where are the smileys. One smiley is at number 44 and the other smiley is at number 38. In the same way, you have to move from number 44 left side of the 100 chart and reach number 38. How many steps you are moving? You have to mention there. So start with a bigger number. The bigger number is 44. First write 44 minus number of steps you are taking to reach the next smiley. So how many number of steps you are taking? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 steps you are taking, right? So 44 minus 6. And where is that smiley? It is on number 38 is equal 38. In the similar way you have to do for hearts also. 2 hearts are there. One heart is at number 75 and the other heart is somewhere between 65 and 67, that is on 66. So 75 is the bigger number. Start with 75. Write 75 first and move towards the left of the 100 chart to the next heart. So From 75, move to the left of the 100 chart and reach the heart over here. So, how many steps you are taking to reach this? You are taking 9 steps. So, 75 minus 9, you are reaching at 66 is equals 66. That is the subtraction sentence. We have already discussed one story problem, right? Now third question is again a story problem. Shima had 25 drawing classes this month. She missed 8 classes. How many drawing classes did she go? So here also subtraction. You have to subtract 8 classes from 25 classes. Okay. So you have to subtract 8 from 25. So 25 is the bigger number. Think of the bigger number in your mind and count 8 times backward, and the number you reach is the answer. So 25 minus 8 is 17. Now children, your homework for today is lesson 3, practice questions subtracting mentally 2-digit numbers minus 1-digit number. Question number 1, 2 and 3. So question number 1 is count backwards and fill in the blanks. You have to do back counting here. I hope everyone knows how to do back counting, right? 80 dash. You have to do back counting. Before 80 79. Then 78 is already given. Then before 78 77. Then 76. Okay. Now here also do back counting. 65 is already given. You have to say before 65, 64, 63, 62, 61. Question number 2. Subtract mentally. Mentally you have to do the subtraction. I already told how to do mentally. Write whether true or false. If it is false, means if the answer is false, then you have to write the correct answer. Now first one, 87 minus 5 is equal 82. Check whether it is true or false. If it is true, just write here true. If it is false, then you write the correct answer there. Subtract in your mind children. 87 minus 5 is equals 82. Now which is the bigger number? 87. So think of 87 in your mind and count backwards 5 times. Count 5 times backward. So where you reach is your answer. So 82. Is it true? Yes. So write true. Go to the next one. 60 minus 2. In the same way you have to do. Think of the bigger number 60 in your mind and minus 2. Move 2 times backward. You will reach 58. But answer given here is 62. So you have to write the correct answer 58. Okay. Do in the similar way for the remaining questions. And the third question is a story problem. Ajay got 12 bottles of juice for his birthday party. 4 bottles were left unopened after the party. How many bottles of juice were finished? Here you have to subtract 4 from 12. Okay, subtract 4 from 12 to get the answer. This also you can do mentally. Subtract mentally. Okay. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.